Okay, here's the paint booth I'm installing in my basement. I've been trying to get some other things done on this house after we moved in, but now I need to organize it so I can start on the game room over here. But the booth, I've had a booth about 10 years. Had it in another house for probably 8 of those 10. 2 years it's been here laying in the floor. So, my next project is going to be the 69 Camaro that I started on before I started building a new house and got sidetracked. But it's obviously 69 Camaro. It's got a LS3 and a 6-speed for it. It looks pretty dirty right now. All the body panels have been replaced except for the front cowl. That had already been replaced at one time before. So the windows will be flush mount. All the side markers, mirrors, door handles, all that stuff will be shaved off. That's where my gas filler cap is going to be. That will be illuminated. The bumper is flush mounted and welded to the car. Seams are all welded shut. Just metal work done. Body work fixing to start. As you can see, we got 3 more ceiling panels to put up, and we're using a sheetrock lift to do that. I modified this paint booth to push the filter area about 30 inches further out, so it gave me 30 more inches of length inside the booth so I can fit my truck in here. Added some more lights. Those clips are for more lights. The ones that came with it wasn't enough. When we took the booth apart, we had to cut that door frame in half because it was all one piece and it would be way too wide. So we just had to weld it back together when we brought it over here. The exhaust goes, there's a window out there on the left, and the exhaust will go outside that window. As you can see the light coming in from the window right there where the exhaust goes out and takes a right. That's a roof panel right there where a light goes. All these panels are pretty good size. Not real heavy, but pretty awkward. And they are self-tapping sheet metal screws that are holding this thing together, except for the doors. I went ahead and welded the hinges on. Got a little max jack lift right there to get the body off the frame of the Camaro. And this is a little plan of the booth. I don't sell this anymore, but as you can see, the booth was just $2,970. And was modified, like I said. The filter housing was inside the booth. You can see a little recess area on the left, and the right had the same thing where the other side was. So I just pushed all that filter area back against the wall and extended the inside. ductwork is for a bathroom on the other side of the booth. Hadn't been connected. The booth works pretty good. Painted a 63 Corvette a while back. Right there. That was painted in the booth and just recently sold at Mecum Auction. Don't even have my compressors hooked up yet.